How to delete address on Walmart account. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways on deleting your address on Walmart. So to delete address on Walmart, first of all, you'll need to log in. For that, open up a browser, type in walmart.com on the web address bar. Once you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the right on this page. In the top right hand side corner, click on your account info name. After that, a drop down menu appears. From the bottom, you'll need to just go ahead and tap on. As soon as you click on the accounts button, it's going to direct you to the account info page. Alright, you'll be able to see all sort of details, and in order to delete your account in the left hand side bar, you'll be able to see manage account. Under it, you'll be able to find the option as addresses. Just tap on the addresses button and here you'll be able to see the address. In my case, I've not added address, so if you've already added the address, the interface might be different. So what you have to do is basically, if you've already added the address, you'll be able to see right in the corner right over here the edit or remove button. You can just simply upgrade your address, or you can simply remove the address by tapping on the remove button. For the confirmation, it's gonna ask you to type in your password or maybe enter in the verification code that will be sent to an SMS or an email address, and once done entering your verification code, then you've successfully deleted your address on Walmart. So this is how you can delete your address on Walmart. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.